Sinhagad Fort near Pune, earlier known as Kondhana, is standing from thousands of years. It is situated in Sahyadri mountain ranges or Western Ghats, which are commonly known for its biodiversity. Every day, thousands of people visit this fort. It is famous for courage of Maratha commander Narveer Tanaji Malosare. Many empires and dynasties ruled here in multiple centuries. In spite of instructions to not to spoil or litter the fort with plastic, but we can still see plastic bottles, wrappers lying here and there. Surprisingly, how can people spoil this rich heritage situated in beautiful valleys and mountains? It is not only a picnic spot, rather it is a heritage to preserve for future. People working in MNC decided to give a message to society through their CSR activity to clean the fort. They made a team of volunteers and started the journey through different means of transport. One by one, everyone split it and started to clean the fort as much as they can. But the number of volunteers are very less than the number of daily visitors, and they can't come every day to clean the fort which is littered by others. So, we should not litter public places, especially natural and heritage sites. We thank you, Team Sankalp of Atyati.